Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. I hope you are doing well. So today we will start from the 11th lesson of Noorani Qaida. In this lesson we will practice the previous lesson like 10 number lesson, and you read their sukoon sign like this sign you can see on top of your screen. Here is sukoon sign. It's meaning to join the previous letter with the next letter. Okay, and in this lesson we will practice about the sign. Okay, and now we will start from here. This is the first letter. Now you read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The first one is here. Now you read with me. Okay, Hamza Noon Zabar An, Ta Zabar Ta. Its made is anta. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza hazir dal zir di, and the next one ba'in zabar dal pesh ba'du. Okay, and the next one ba ta zabar shin zabar batusha. The next one is here. Sin ain zabar ya zabar ya. Okay, and the next one is here. Kaf noon pesh ta pesh kuntu. You practice with me. And the next one is here. Lam sin zabar ta zabar lasta. And the next one. Hamza mim zabar ra tu zirin, amrin. Okay. And the next one. Ba zabar dal tu zabar Its sound is baroban. And the next one is here. Jim mim zabar ain to zabar jam'an. Okay, and the next one. Haba zabar lam to peshlun, hablum. Its sound is hablun. Okay, and the next one. Khasin pesh ra to zerin, khusrin. And the next one is here. Khalam zabar qaf to zabar Its sound is khalqan. You read with me. The next one is here. Sin ba zabar ha to zabar sabahan. And the next one is here. Sin ba zabar qaf to zabar sabqan. And the next one. Shin hamza zabar In this letter you read, in this word you read this letter like you can see on the top of alif. Here is a hamza sign, then it's top a sukoon sign. Okay, that's why we will read this hamza. Sheen hamza zabar noon to pesh noon. Its sound is noon. And the next one, sod ba pesh ha to zabar subahan. And the next one is here, dod ba zabar ha to han dabahan. And the next one is here. Ain ba zabar dal to zabar abdan. And the next one. Ain dal zabar noon to zirnin, adnin. And the next one. Ain shin zabar ra to zirin, ashrin. And here it is. Ain sod zabar fa to zirfin, asfin. And the next one is here. Ghain ra zabar qaf to zabar gharqan. Every letter you read in a same sound, like same way to read it. Ghain lam pesh ghul, ba to zabar ghulban. And the next one is here. Fa sod zabar lam to pesh faslun. And the next one is here. Qaf dal zabar ha to zabar qadahan. Okay. Qaf dal zabar ba to zabar qadban. Here is again same shape here, like you can see on the top of hamza. Here is a sukoon sign. Its meaning to join the previous letter. Same. Kaf hamza zabar sin to zabar san, ka san. And the next one, kaf dal zabar kad, ha to zabar han, kadahan. Okay, lam qain zabar law, wow to zabar one, lagwan. And the next one is here, mim sin zir miss, kaf to pishkun, miskun. And the next one is here, nun kha zabar nakh, lam to zabar lan, nakhlan. And the next one, nun shin zabar nash, ta to zabar twan, nashtan. And the next one, nun fa zabar naf, sin to zir sin, nafsin. And here is nun qaf zabar naq, ain to zabar an, naqan. And this one is yasin pish yus, ra to zabaran, yusran. And the next one is here, hamza ba zabar ab, qaf khari zabar qa, abqa. This khari zabar on top of qaf, okay? And ya is a silent letter here. And the next one, tara zabar tar, dad khari zabar da, tarda. Its real shape is here, like this one. I'll show you this one here. Like this one is, first one is tar, two dot on the top of the, and like this one. And the next one dot, and dot is here, like in this shape, okay, like that. And khari zabar on top of dot, like that. The other qaida you can see like that, this letter, every letter, like if you see here ya sign, like these are same signs, okay. Here is you read like khari zabar on top of the previous letter. Now you read with me, ta noon zabar tan, sin khari zabar sa, tan sa. And the next one, ya kha zabar yakh, shin khari zabar sha, yakhsha. And the next one is here, yasin zabar yes, ain khari zabar a, yes a. You practice with me. Ya ta zabar yet, lam pesh lu, yatlu. And the next one, ya dal zabar yat, ain waw pesh aru, yad'u. And the next one is here, taj jim zabar taj, ra zir yari, tajri. Okay, here is a sign on top of ya. I'll show you, this letter is like that, okay. Every letter you read like that. The other Noorani Qaida, like helping book, you can see like that these letters. And don't be scared, that is very easy. That's why I write here this sign. Ya ha zabar ya, dal ya zir di, ya di. And the next one, ya ghain pesh yug, nun ya zir ni, yugni. Okay. And the next one, hamza lam zabar al, qaf ta zabar qad, al qad. And the next one, hamza mim zabar ha lam zir hil, hil. And the next one is here, hamza qaf zir iq, ra zabar hamza ra, iqra. You know that hamza read in a jerk sound, that's why we will read like that, iqra. And the next one, fa connect with the next ra, fa ra zabar far, ghain ba zabar ghab, farghab. And the next one, fa nun zabar fan, صاد ba zabar sob, fansab. Okay, so this is the first part of this lesson, and you memorize you read it properly this lesson. If you read it properly, then the Quran will be easy for you, okay. That's why please practice this lesson again by listening and watching this video. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.